Good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to part 3 of creating custom rebar shapes in Probar 2D using the old interface. Just in case you forgot, the reason why I specified this the old interface is that there is a new edit bar interface on its way. And then once that new interface has been released, I will delve into exactly the same kind of workflow, but just with the new interface. So look out for that in maybe close to the end of the month or then early next month. All right, let's delve into part 3. We will look at just adding an additional complication to our rebar that we're looking, or a specific shape code we're looking to generate. And then that should be the end for this particular series. Of course, if you have any questions, please put them in the comment sections below. And if you like the video, please hit a like, please subscribe as well. We regularly release content for multiple Autodesk packages as well as for our Procon modules as well. So, all right, let's delve into our AutoCAD. You see that is the shape code we created the last time in part 2. And now what we want to do is we want to add an additional leg on this side. So this could be, I think, for a maybe a lip on top of a wall or whatever. So even for a canal, so side of a canal maybe, this shape we're going for now. So we still got everything here. We want to add now an additional vector. We're going to call that D shape code L is going to be 0.4 to 5. And then what we're going to do here is this should be this position over here, minus C. And then interestingly, it already picks up that it's going to go down. And we're going to say actually minus D. And then we can add an F over there. And we can actually see that that is exactly what we're going for over here. Okay, so the reason why we do it like this is we are specifying specific positions that we are working from. Okay, and that's how these points and nodes work. So again, we started with point 1 over there, which is at 0, 0. Then we moved across to point 2. You can see point 2 over there. And how we got there is by adding A. We then went to point 3, so there's point 3 over there, and you're always starting back. You're always starting with point 1 as a reference. Okay, so that's why from point 3 again we had to go A and B, and then for point 4 we had to go minus C, so minus C and B as well to make sure that we retain B's height. Then lastly for 0.5, again, minus C, it's because we want to be at the same position. And then we've got minus D to go down to point number 5. All right, and that is our shape code, basically. That is what we're looking for. We can save the shape code. We can say add rebar sketch. We can pick an insertion point, so that's quite cool over there. And we're happy with this. Right, so we can close our view mode. We can close this. We can go to add bar. We've got our shape code 99. We can place this one over here, over there, and over there. Place our text, press exit, and we're happy with that as it is. Okay, so it should be quite simple. There could be some difficulties in maybe doing some of the things, but just have a look at part 1, 2, and 3, and then refer back to some of the other bar shapes, just to give you an indication of exactly how those bars are built. So depending on some of the questions or depending on queries we might get in the comment section, I might even create a part 4, but for now, part 3 is where it will stop. If you see a part 4, then you know that we have received some queries and we're going to be addressing those queries in part 4 and maybe part 5, depending on the nature of those queries. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoy this. I hope that you're going to find this helpful. And again, please remember to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and then you're welcome to, of course, put any questions or queries you might have in the comment section, and we'll make sure to answer those queries. Thank you very much and hope that you have a fantastic week further.